Low-carb dumplings recipe-keto, juicy pork pot stickers, gluten-free. Calling all carb-conscious dumpling lovers. Say goodbye to soggy, gluten-packed wrappers and hello to these savory, pan-fried pockets of joy, keto pork pot stickers with almond flour dough. This recipe delivers all the crispy, juicy goodness of traditional pot stickers, but crafted with a low-carb twist, making it perfect for keto, paleo, and gluten-free diets. Yields, approximately 30 dumplings, enough for 2 to 3 hungry fans. Ingredients. Filling. 1 pound ground pork, ideally 80-20 half cup finely chopped green cabbage. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon grated ginger. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Half a teaspoon white pepper. 1/4 cup chopped chives, optional dough. 1 cup almond flour. 1/4 cup coconut flour. Half a teaspoon xanthan gum. Half a teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon salt. 1 large egg. 2 to 3 tablespoons hot water. Pan frying. 1 tablespoon avocado oil. 1/4 cup water. Instructions. 1. Prep the filling. In a large bowl, combine ground pork, cabbage, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, and chives, if using. Mix well to incorporate all ingredients. 2. Make the dough. In a separate bowl, whisk together almond flour, coconut flour, xanthan gum, baking powder, and salt. Add the egg and gradually mix in hot water until a soft dough forms. 3. Assemble the dumplings, pinch off a small piece of dough and roll it into a disc about 3 inches in diameter. Place a spoonful of filling in the center. Fold the dough in half to form a crescent shape, and pinch the edges tightly to seal. Repeat with remaining dough and filling. 4. Pan fry perfection. Heat avocado oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Arrange dumplings in a single layer, leaving space between them. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the bottoms are golden brown. 5. Steam and seal the deal. Add 1/4 cup water to the skillet and immediately cover with a tight-fitting lid. Reduce heat to low and steam for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the dumplings are cooked through and juicy. 6. Serve with flair. Plate your golden beauties and drizzle with soy sauce, chili oil, your favorite dipping sauce, or enjoy them plain. Tips and tricks. For extra crispy bottoms, preheat the skillet for a few minutes before adding the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry the dumplings in batches to ensure even cooking. Feeling adventurous? Experiment with different fillings like ground chicken, shrimp, or even vegetarian options like lentils or mushrooms. Leftovers? Store cooked dumplings in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze for longer storage. Reheat in a pan with a splash of water or in the microwave. So ditch the carb guilt and get ready to dive into these keto pork pot stickers. With their perfectly crispy exteriors and juicy, flavorful fillings, you won't believe they're low carb. So fire up your stovetop, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to experience dumpling bliss, the keto way.